I hope you all are healthy and safe at your place. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. So let's start. You might have seen pine tree growing on hills, cactus growing in desert, lotus flower growing in water, mango tree growing in plains, and coconut tree growing in coastal areas. But do you have ever seen lotus flower growing on desert and cactus growing in water? The answer is big no. We cannot find the lotus flower in desert. We can find these plants in their specific regions, and the specific region in which these plants are found are called their habitat. And the special features a plant grow to survive in a specific habitat is called adaptation. So, our today's topic is adaptation in plants, and specifically we are going to discuss adaptation in plants growing in land. So, let's start.
Terrestrial plants. The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants of hilly and mountain region. Number 2. Plants in plain region. Number 3. Plants of coastal region. Number 4. Plants of desert region. Number 5. Plants of marshy areas. Number 6. Plants of heavy rainfall area. Plants of hilly and mountain region. Characteristics of plants of hilly region. They are generally tall with cone shaped and have sloping branches. The leaves of these plants are needle-like, which help them to withstand cold and snow. The plants of these regions do not bear flowers, but they bear cones. Their seeds grow inside the cones and thus called conifers or coniferous plants. Examples: pine, devdar, fir, and spruce. Plants of plain region. Characteristics of plants of plain region. The trees have lots of leaves with branches spread around. The leaves are flat and thin. They help in evaporating the excess water and keep them cool. These plants or trees shed all their leaves mostly in winter. Neem, peepal, shisham, and mulberry are the examples. Adaptation of plants of desert region. Characteristics. The leaves of desert plants are reduced to spines to reduce water loss from the plant. The process of food making in plants like cactus takes place in the stem because of the green color pigment called chlorophyll. The fleshy stem stores food and water, which is used by the plants to survive in deserts. Desert plants have long roots to get water by going deep under the ground. Examples of plants in desert area: cactus, date palm, and babool. Plants of coastal areas. Characteristics of plants of coastal areas. The plants that grow in coastal areas are adapted to hot and humid climate. Examples of plants in coastal areas: coconut tree and rubber trees. Adaptation of plants of marshy areas. Characteristics of plants of marshy areas. The trees that grow in marshy plains are called mangroves. The roots of mangroves grow above the soil so that they can breathe in air. This type of roots are known as breathing roots. Characteristics of plants of marshy areas. These roots have tiny openings at their tips through which gases can pass. Adaptation of plants of heavy rainfall region. Characteristics. The plants are full of leaves and are lush green around the ear. They are called evergreen trees. Examples of plants in heavy rainfall region: teak tree, cotton plant, and sugar cane.
So students, in this video we have learnt about adaptation of plant growing in hills and mountains, adaptation of plants growing in plains, adaptation of plants growing in desert, and adaptation of plants growing in coastal and marshy lands. I hope you all enjoyed the topic. Thank you.